Hey friends, it's Running Kimono. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of April the 17th to the 23rd. Okay, so smack dab in the center of it this weekend, we're celebrating Easter. So if you want to put pause on this, fine. But there is a couple deals that maybe you could sneak out after the Easter egg hunt and go and do them. Really fantastic. Just to hop into it, oh, look at those Easter puns showing up. I have not seen a booster as of recording this, but check your digital coupons. Maybe there might be one, so I don't have one to show you, but definitely keep an eye out for it. Also, no inserts this weekend in the newspapers because they're taking the weekend off. They always take a couple off per year, and Easter is one of the holidays. They do not circulate inserts. And then on Monday, April the 18th, which is the day after Easter, Easter merchandise in that holiday section at Walgreens will probably be hitting 50% off if you like all things cute and pastel and with bunnies. Many of us are receiving error messages at checkout where it's saying our register rewards, there's something wrong with it. Dawn had it, I had it, lots of people are having it. If they will not scan your register rewards, hang on to them. Ask for the manager and say, hey, can we fix this? Because I got these register rewards here. Or alternatively, call customer service. Customer service, I tried asking this week for a little bit of assistance and clueless. But hopefully, the more of us that are having issues with this, they will fix things because this is ridiculous that register rewards are not scanning. Okay, so this is the really spectacular deal I was talking about. So if you can sneak out first thing in the morning, this is the one to do. Grabbing 2 of these Dove body wash products for $7 a pop. See that little red dot? It says online coupon, 7 off of 2, 5 off of 2, register reward when you buy this. Plus, in the tiny print, get a $10 gift card when you spend $30 on participating Unilever products. Dove is a Unilever product, so yes. Grabbing 2 body washes for $14, subtracting that 7 off of 2 digital, you're paying $7 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per. If you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay, and that register reward should still print for you. And let's not forget that progressive of spend 30, get back 10 from Fetch. You're almost halfway there with this purchase, so definitely photograph your receipt to that spectacular app for this little dealio. The next deal that we have is 99 cents for this Palmolive dish soap, the little 8-ouncer. There's a 50-cent digital. It'll drop this guy down to 49 cents. The next 4 deals that we're looking at are deals of the week, so if you wish to do all 4, you must do them in separate transactions, just to note that. Okay, the Old Spice or Olay body wash, 2 for $13, 5 off of 3 digital. So we had one the week previous, and guess what, guys? That one's expiring, so there's going to be a new one for a new little dealio. Grabbing 3 of the body washes, or if you want to mix and match, do whatever you wish to do. I'm going to probably grab the Olay stuff. That's $19.50. Subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital, you're paying $14.50 out of pocket, getting back a register reward, making it $9.50 for the 3 or $3.16 per body wash. So it is okay to use some Walgreens Cash if you wish, if you're doing this without a booster. Yes, that $5 register reward will still print pour vous. So, just a different way to look at it. Now, with the deodorant, we also had that 5 off of 3 the week previous, and they're saying there's going to be another one. So how exciting is that? It is with the Gillette or Secret deodorant, so a different product altogether. So grabbing, say, 3 of the Secrets, or whichever deodorants you wish to get, that's $18 on the nose. Subtracting that 5 off of 3, you're paying $13 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 per deodorant. And this is P&G deodorant, the nice stuff. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash to pay if you're not using this in concert with a booster. If you might have received these in the mail, it's some sort of free coupon because I guess some deodorant, they were putting talc in it. So just to compensate us, P&G last December was sending these out. I did use these the week previous for the deodorant, and they do scan at Walgreens. So if you might have a couple in your coupon binder, absolutely use them. You might have to bring your letter from the manufacturer as well, but yes, it's working. Another deal of the week is with the Tampax. So they are 2 for $11. We have a 2 off of 2 digital, and it's on the same weekly promotion of buy 3, get back a $5 register reward. So grabbing 3 of the boxes, it's $16.50. Subtracting that 2 off a 2 digital coupon, you're paying $14.50 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, shaking it down to $9.50 for the 3, or $3.16 per box, and it is okay to use some Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal on its own. Diaper deal is the last one, 2 for $20. We have a 3 off of 2 digital, $5 register reward when you purchase 3 of these. So pretty easy deal. And just to give you a quick peek, this coupon's been floating around our account for some time. It's a 3 off of 2 for the Pampers. Grabbing 3 of them for $30, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, I would throw in $20 of Walgreens cash if you might have it, pay down the 7 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, and it is okay to use some Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal on its own without a booster to get some inexpensive diapers. I think that's totally what it's about. Not sure if this is a typo or what. This is a 4.5 ounce box, so it's not the big one, but it says 5 for $5, so that's going to be $1 each, or 1 for $2.49. So if you love Cheez-Its, this might be a deal for you. $1 a box, yes. Now, if you celebrate Mother's Day, this would be definitely one to pick up, or if you have somebody special that you want to gift a Mother's Day card to, load this digital coupon. It's $2 off a Hallmark Mother's Day card. Minimum purchase $2. They do sell them for $2, so grab the cheapest card for $2. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying tax. And there's a whole host of Hallmark digital coupons. So do make sure that you have the right one loaded. Maybe unload if you have like $1 off, one or something like that. You want this high value $2 digital loaded. Okay, so now we're looking at some Gillette shaving cream. They have the foamy, which is the cheaper one. $5 reward when you purchase 2 of them. So grabbing the cheapest foamy, that is $5.68. Again, look that everything is tagged. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, making it $1.68 for the 2, or 84 cents per. If you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay it down. If you are in desperate need of detergent, this might be the deal for you to buy 1 Arm & Hammer detergent and get 2 for free. The packs are included along with the scent booster. It shakes it out to $2.49 per detergent product. Maybe that's a good deal for you, maybe it's not. If I was a newer couponer building a stockpile, this is a deal I would probably use, and hopefully the register rewards are scanning on Sunday. Fingers and toes crossed, wouldn't that be nice? Colgate deal, we have some free toothpaste alert, $3.99. We're going to have a 4 off of 2 digital and $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Pretty easy deal, right? Grabbing 2 for $7.98, subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making this free. Now, if you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. This is the little deal that kind of fell under the radar. $7.99 for these Scott's. It's a multi-surface antibacterial wipe. Okay, this is the online price, so in-store, how much more, how much less? And it's also BOGO 50% off. Let's hope it's that same price. And I would only do it if it's BOGO 50% off because we don't have digital coupons. And here is the IBOTTA rebate of $5 back when you buy 2. So we're going to have to double, triple check these prices on Sunday morning. Like, what's it ringing up for? Is curbside better than in-store? In-store, what is it? Hopefully it's the same price. But if it is indeed a BOGO 50% off, grabbing 2 of them at $11.98, pay that out of pocket or use some Walgreens cash. Get back $5 when you buy 2 from IBOTTA, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per cylinder of wipes. You can use Walgreens cash if you wish, and is curbside cheaper than in-store. This is one product I haven't seen locally in my little store, but who really knows? We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, some cheap wipes. This is the paper deal of the week using this IVC coupon found in the big book, or alternatively, you can load it digitally, but this is the one that we're looking for. So the paper towel or the toilet paper by Scott. $5 on the nose, subtracting that $1.25 IVC, you're paying $3.75. Fetch Rewards has a progressive spend 50, get back 15 if you might have it. It makes it really cheap. I think this is the paper deal of the week. I'm going to show you something else here in a quick second that, it's not so great. Honorable mention time, or not so great honorable mentions. But this is the one that you're spending like what, $15 to get back a $3 register reward with a generous 50-cent coupon. No, we're going to pass on this. They have raised this, almost by $2. Go with the Scott. Also, we have food, the 2 for $10 top right-hand corner for those nice pizzas, which is the Walgreens brand. I think my husband really likes that pizza, so I think it's spot on. Use some Walgreens cash, get some inexpensive pizza. This is a deal I would pass on. We have a 3 off of 2 digital, but that $5 reward when you spend $20, it's not a register reward. It's $5 off a box of dye, so they get to choose your reward. No thanks. Pass on that one. 2 for $9 for the Oreos, really, really expensive. The 2 for $6 for the Lays and Doritos. Doritos are kind of expensive. They're usually they're saying $4 a bag, so that might be a deal pour vous. The Coca-Cola products, 3 for $12.99, really great price point, so I would stock up on that, especially if you're entertaining for Easter. And this one's a bit of a wild card, $8.49 with a $3 digital. Will IBOTTA or one of the rebate apps have a cashback for this? That would be really, really nice to get it very, very cheap. If not, it'll be $5.49. Maybe use some Walgreens cash to get some detergent on the cheap. And this is a big mama bottle. And then 2 for $2 with the complete home aluminum foil. It makes it $1 per. It's only 25 square feet. But if you want to use this as a filler item or just, you want some aluminum foil, not the worst little dealio. As always, guys, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.